we're going to see what are on these floppy disks. Got my coffee. Already looked at a few of these, so let's start with the E3M. It says Osmond Knox, Bob Brandon. Got a WinINI file from November 29th, 2001, 10:24 p.m. Acer Oob. Probably from an Acer computer. Alright, let's format that. Virus scan9.dat. Okay, here's the command.com. From, oh wow, it's an old one. May 11th, 1998, 8:01 p.m. 6:20:01, 11:21. The good old days before you know what happened. (10:4:02), (10:2:02). Take note. Semantic Antivirus Research, version 3. Pause whenever you want. Anticipating hard drives. Several viruses. Cursor lag here. Frankenstein and Stone Empire Monkey cause your hard disk to disappear when booting from a clean floppy disk. 800 441 7234. Please call. Speaker.
Welcome to Norton LifeLock Member Services and Support. We are currently experiencing longer than normal delays.
Still Norton's number. Cool. I don't know how often numbers change. Norton Antivirus Program Disk. Command.com. 51198. What's that? Alright, choice.com, autoaccept.bat. 12:8:01, 3:07 p.m. 87:01, 11:11 p.m. Oh, CPU ID.exe. These TDK discs are from 2001 or so. They have a $2 mail-in rebate receipt for the offer at 12/31/02. Starting Windows 98. Hope this doesn't ruin anything. I've done it one time. Oh. So we'll say no. And inject those seed code. Yeah, I know. Okay. Now, this used to be Microsoft Windows Sound System 2.0. Now it's Norton Rescue Disk 5. And it's NavDefs 2. So the command.com. There's all my floppy disks. Pretty boring, but hey, it's something. Got to see some dates on there, so that's always cool.